Question number 1. Who is considered as the father of microbiology? The correct option is option D, Antony van Leeuwenhoek. Question number 2. Which scientist disproved the theory of spontaneous generation? The correct option is option B, Pasteur. Question number 3. What is the study of fungi called? The correct option is option C, mycology. Question number 4. Which staining technique is used to classify bacteria into gram-positive and gram-negative? The correct option is option C, gram staining. Question number 5. What type of microorganism is Escherichia coli? The correct option is option C, bacterium. Question number 6. Which of the following is an acellular microorganism? The correct option is option D, virus. Question number 7. Robert Koch is famous for his work on which disease? The correct option is option C, tuberculosis. Question number 8. Which structure helps bacteria to move? The correct option is option C, flagella. Question number 9. Which of the following is used to sterilize heat-sensitive materials? The correct option is option C, ethylene oxide. Question number 10. Which of the following is not a domain in the three-domain system of classification? The correct option is option C, protista. Question number 11. Archaea differ from bacteria in the composition of their. The correct option is option A, cell wall. Question number 12. Binomial nomenclature was introduced by. The correct option is option B, Linnaeus. Question number 13. The resolving power of a light microscope is approximately. The correct option is option B, 0.2 μm. Question number 14. Which microscope is used to observe viruses? The correct option is option D, electron microscope. Question number 15. Staining is required in bright field microscopy to. The correct option is option A, increase contrast. Question number 16. Which part of the microscope adjusts the amount of light reaching the specimen? The correct option is option C, diaphragm. Question number 17. Which of the following diseases is caused by a protozoan? The correct option is option B, malaria. Question number 18. The causative agent of cholera is. The correct option is option A, Vibrio cholerae. Question number 19. Which viruses cause AIDS? The correct option is option B, HIV. Question number 20. The BCG vaccine is used against. The correct option is option C, tuberculosis. Question number 21. Viruses are classified based on. The correct option is option C, type of nucleic acid. Question number 22. Which of the following is prokaryotic? The correct option is option C, bacteria. Question number 23. Which kingdom includes non-cellular organisms? The correct option is option D, none of these. Question number 24. Which of the following organisms are considered obligate intracellular parasites? The correct option is option C, viruses. Question number 25. Which of the following microscopes can view living cells in detail? The correct option is option C, phase contrast microscope. Question number 26. What is the function of the oil immersion lens? The correct option is option A, to reduce refraction. Question number 27. Which part of the microscope holds the objective lens? The correct option is option C, revolving nose piece. Question number 28. Which fungal infection affects the skin and nails? The correct option is option C, dermatoptosis. Question number 29. The mosquito Anopheles transmits. The correct option is option C, malaria. Question number 30. The smallest microorganism among the following is. The correct option is option D, virus.